Pakistan's attempts late last night and in the wee hours today to escalate tensions with India by targeting military installations in 15 cities in the northern and western parts of the country was negated as India successfully repelled and destroyed the Pakistani drones and missiles. So not only this, the Indian forces responded by targeting and destroying Pakistani air defense radars and systems in several locations, including Lahore, Karachi and Rawalpindi. Well, the attack came in response to Pakistani attempts to attack military facilities in 15 locations, including Srinagar, Pathankot, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Jammu, Pathankot, Bhatinda and Bhuj. Well, Indian Air Force S-400 Sudarshan Chakra air defense missile systems were fired last night against targets moving towards India. So the targets were successfully neutralized in the operation. Debris of the destroyed Pakistani drones and missiles is being collected, the government said, and will add to the volume of evidence supporting India's charges against Pakistan. So the attempted military action against India comes a day after Indian armed forces carried out precision strikes at 4 terrorist camps in Pakistan and 5 in Pak-occupied Kashmir. The Ministry of Defence has confirmed that the Indian armed forces targeted air defence radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan this morning. So Indian response has been in the same domain with same intensity as Pakistan, and it has been reliably learned that an air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized. So today morning, Indian Air Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. So these are the visuals you can see, visuals coming in from the Rawalpindi, target 1 Rawalpindi, target 2 Karachi and target 3 Lahore. So on the late last night, Pakistan attempted to engage a number of military targets in northern and western India. And after that, today morning, Indian armed forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. So these are the locations that you can see right now on your screens. Target 1, Rawalpindi, target 2, Karachi and target 3, Lahore.